Now these religious festivals that contain shirk or contain things that are prohibited, it is haram. It is prohibited for us Muslims to celebrate these festivals. It is even prohibited for us Muslims to wish these non-Muslims on their religious festivals. These festivals which contain shirk or things that are haram, that are prohibited in Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 2, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. And help each other towards righteousness and taqwa, that is fearing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And do not help each other in sin and in transgression. Unfortunately, we find many Muslims, they wish their non-Muslim colleagues, their non-Muslim friends on their religious festivals, not realizing that it is prohibited to wish the non-Muslims on their religious festivals. These festivals that contain shirk or things that are haram. And this is the opinion of all the classical scholars, as well as the opinion of other scholars as well. And according to Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah, he says that wishing non-Muslims on their religious festivals, it is prohibited. And the same is the opinion of Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah. May Allah have mercy on him, and may Allah have mercy on Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah as well.